All right, next up is Our Child Info. There's your weapon. Ready to go? All set? Okay, start the timer.
Good evening. My name is Aaron Carnine. I'm an attorney in Mount Vernon, Illinois. I practice family law. I've been in the family law business for 20 years. That led to the development of OurChildInfo.com. What is it? It is a platform for parents to communicate with each other during and especially after a divorce. It is a private, secure site for both parents to log into. They can exchange documents, photographs, all of their communications, all of their replies, and the thing is they can't delete anything, they can't backdate anything, and they can't alter anything. Anytime they need to go to court or any attorney needs it, they can print out a log file which has a complete merged chronology of the entire conversation, date stamped, time stamped. The goal is, and one of the reasons for it is, the next 5 slides are a parenting agreement, regardless of if it's called decision-making now in Illinois, custody, joint legal. Parents have an obligation to communicate with each other about their child. Strangely enough, parents have to communicate more when they're divorced than when they were married. When you're married, you know where you live. You know, usually, when the next medical appointment is. So the highlights that you're seeing are the obligations that divorced parents have to communicate with each other, and necessarily after they're financially and emotionally exhausted, they're done. They have had enough speaking to each other, it's hard enough. As a family attorney, 90% of all the post-trial contempt matters were based on miscommunication. They're not based on the actual schedule of picking up on Fridays or Wednesdays. It's based upon the crazy amount of notice requirements that they continue to have and don't want to follow through with. Court orders, medical bills, school records, when is picture day, sports, insurance, practices, games, vacation weeks, notice of vacation, notice of summertime, holidays. Judges use it because parents will come in with a stack of printed out text messages and say, Your Honor, the truth is in there somewhere, find it. Well, if they were using the site, they can print out at any time a log file, a merged chronology, like I said, every picture and every photo that they've used or exchanged between each other. Attorneys can, and it's no cost to judges, it's no cost to attorneys, it's only a cost to the parent. The first parent that signs up pays $7.50 a month, $7.50 a month. Second parent is free. Second parent gets an automatic code that says, here's your free account. You can now start using it. So it was designed to keep parents out of court after a divorce, to enable them to communicate about the dozens of things that they need to communicate with. Obviously, it's a benefit to mediators. Mediators can test a circumstance. Thank you.